All right, replacing the four-wheel drive actuator to the front as it is not engaging, although the four-wheel drive transaxle front drivetrain is locking in. So that is working well, but what I recognized is that there are lights on these guys that will validate everything is engaged there on the shift, which is not working, which was the first sign. But me not knowing what I'm doing, I had to dig a little deeper to figure out what's going on. And with ChatGPT and YouTube and everything else, on a 1992 Chevy Blazer K1500, I came to the realization that the thermal actuator is not engaging, and that's a common problem on all these. And instead of going to the electric, I stuck with the thermal. It's a 2-pin plug. Instead, I think the electric is a 5-pin plug. I didn't feel like fucking with wiring, and I wanted to go with everything OEM. Again, I'm green to this stuff, so I am learning, but the part that I've already removed the plug, and rather than jerking the female part, the plastic plug, off, there are leaders on side of a mounting bracket inside, so be careful when you take that off. I think I've got some video on my cell phone that I'll infuse here. Figure out how to separate it without breaking the bracket. I think that's a metal bracket right there. But it's a very easy process. I'm hoping I'll be successful. We'll see where we are when we are done with the project. I've already removed the plug. You can see it right there. And there's the actuator, which appears to be the original from 1992. But you can see the bracket right there that the plug slides onto. Just be careful. Just pull it up, disconnect it, one finger, pull it up, or push it up, however, and remove it the right way. See, the washer shredded apparently. That's what you got. In my thoughts, I have seen rings of smoke through the trees and the voices of those who stand alone. All right, baby. Alright, bitch. I'm used to this. Alright. Now, this bitch needs to go back on. All right. There you go. Now, is the bitch gonna work? Let's see. This is always an interesting part about trying to fix your own cars. When you take it somewhere, it's almost guaranteed to work whenever you get it back. When you fuck with your own shit, you never really know, but that's the fun part about it. That's the challenge. So let's see if she is going to work. The headlights. Told. Put it in neutral. All right, baby. Come on, baby. Fuck. Okay. That did not work. Parking brakes on. She's in park. Let's see if we can spin drive shaft. I'm hoping it's just not that the fucking light is burned out. So could it be just that a light was burned out? I don't think so. What sucks about working on your cars, you never fucking so I'm not sure that fixed it. We're gonna go drive it real quick. Got back in the truck. The chute is lit up. I guess I wasn't as patient. So the actuator it was. 4 low, we're good to go. Confirmation has been made. I think it just took some time. I'm not quite sure because I don't think me confirming that the drive shaft is locked in had anything to do with it. But I think I just needed to get it a minute, which probably makes sense. It's a thermal-based actuator, which means it takes a lot of time to expand, is my guess. But she is good. Let's see if the lights still stay on. Put her in neutral. Let's go to low. Hell yeah. Let's see if it retracts. And it's out though. Go too high. Too high. Light turned off. Perfect. As a guy that is learning as I go on a 1992 Chevy K1500, feels damn good when you have success.